So if you're trying to stop snoring, this is the video for you. There's a whole bunch of things that I've tried, like you can do the thing where you lose weight, or there's a mouthpiece that, some kind of mouth guard that goes in your mouth that's supposed to help you stop snoring, sleeping on your side. None of these things actually worked for me. I have now stopped snoring, and I'll tell you what it actually took was I actually went for a sleep study and found out that I have sleep apnea, and I got an apnea machine, and now I don't snore and I breathe properly in my sleep. I have a full video that tells you all about the sleep study experience and what it's like living with sleep apnea and a sleep apnea machine. You should check out the related video. Just at the bottom of this video, you can click on related video and I'll tell you all about that.